Ukraine's drone army helps to wear down Russia's capability in every possible way. One way is to disturb and degrade Russia's defensive position, both existing ones and new ones being built. As seen here again, an excavator drives in between jobs of digging trenches. As a slow-driving equipment, a Ukrainian drone could easily hit and destroy the fragile equipment, which cost tens of thousands of dollars, making sure to constantly hit Russia's capability in every possible way, reducing their equipment, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.